Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
It's hard to believe it's that time again.
It is. And today we have Dwayne's Holiday Punch ZOA Zero Sugar Energy. Dwayne. We got Dwayne here. Alright, so let's look at the important factoids. We got ourselves 10 calories in the can. We got ourselves 110 milligrams. We got 2 carbohydrates. We got ourselves 60 milligrams of potassium, 90 milligrams of vitamin C, 0.3 milligrams of some riboflavin, 12 milligrams of niacin, 75 micrograms of folate. Interesting. 1.3 milligrams of B6, 1.8 micrograms of B12. We got 4 milligrams of some lovely acid, 20 milligrams of choline. Interesting. And 10 milligrams of magnesium.
Is there any tea-based in this variety?
It appears to be a vitamin B12 mixture is what it is.
Okay.
Oh, and also apparently it's manufactured in Tampa, Florida. Green coffee and green tea.
Okay, that's what
160 milligrams of caffeine. There
that's
it is.
What I like about stuff.
So Florida based. That's pretty cool.
Cool. I think I'll be buying more.
So ZOA fruit flavor.
$25 for 12
So look at the can design. Can design extremely nice. Got big arm Dwayne on there. Looks pretty good.
What's he calling it? Duanta Claus?
Duanta's Holiday Punch. Anyways, so let's open it up and then give it a see what it tastes like. Well, it's got coloring. Not sure if that's artificial or plant-based, but
Probably
it is.
Red dye.
Red dye that'll kill you, yeah. Well, it doesn't have much of a smell to it. Ooh, some cranberry.
Yeah. Naturally.
Definitely cranberry. There's something else. There's something else in there. I'm not sure what that is, but it's definitely cranberry with something. Not overly bubbly either.
Yeah. Maybe it's heavy on the cranberry, but it is tasty.
Yeah.
The last can I tried it beforehand actually and lost half of it in the cooler. It's sad, so this is probably the most I've had of it. I think it's pretty good though. So not sure I would buy another case, but you know.
It's not bad, right?
Ooh, big quote on here. Live nice.
Live nice.
Yeah. think naughty. Live nice. Think naughty. ZOA Energy. So.
Okay.
That's your words of wisdom.
Apparently.
Be nice. No. Yeah. Be nice.
Think naughty.
Think naughty. Or I don't know.
Yeah. It's kind of like one of those things. You don't necessarily take advice from energy drinks or fortune cookies.
Yeah.
They're interesting, but not necessarily.
Unless it coincides with what you want or think. In which case, there's your excuse.
Exactly. So
Pretty
interesting
tasty,
though. But yeah, definitely heavy on the cranberry. And very smooth. I mean, if you're expecting some bubbles, this is not the drink for you. It's a very
way to say that is carbonation.
Yeah, carbonation.
Bubbles.
Bubbles works out good too because the bubbles help scratch your throat.
In my drink.
Well, it was better than sparkling water. Yuck.
Yeah, that's pretty tasty. Not go crazy.
It's definitely smooth, good flavor. Cranberry, not one of my favorites, but still pretty good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Light too, very light, not syrupy, so that's good.
Definitely the seasonal flavor.
Yes, definitely a seasonal flavor.
Speaking of which, I didn't get my fruitcake this year.
No, fruitcake. Oh well. So, anyways, I'd probably say that's SRT. It's not bad, but it's not one of my favorites. So,
Fun to try.
Exactly, but not bad. So,
It was
anyways,
like 10 calories, 15 calories.
yeah. So I mean, that's not bad. And then 160 milligrams of caffeine from green tea and green coffee beans. So that's not
I
bad.
do like that one.
Yeah. So,
I
anyways.
don't like paying $2 a can for that. But
Yeah, exactly. So, anyways, but still interesting nonetheless.
Yep.
So, anyways,
bye-bye.
bye.